We are so fortunate to have three days hands-on workshop on PLC switchgear production using PLC and SCADA with IoT. So at first we don't know about anything regarding switchgear production and using PLC and SCADA. So in these 3 days workshop, we came to know everything from basics. We had theoretical knowledge and including practical experience. They made us to do with our hands so that we gained much knowledge regarding switchgear production. So I'm very thankful to our EEE department and our S College management to have this conducting this 3 days hands-on workshop regarding switchgear production using PLC and SCADA with IoT. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Accredited from second year EEE. On the third day of workshop, we had an industrial visit at ENRUN Electrical and Electronics Private Limited, which is located at Cherlapalli. At start, we had how a three-phase system is actually taken into an industry which is of 11 kV. It was the first time we saw it with our eyes, and then we had a ring main system and which consists of all the relays. At starting, we saw how a 11 kV of voltage is taken directly into the industries, and then we saw the manufacturing of large dashboards which include all relays connected into it, and we see how relays actually work in practically when it comes to industrial things. Then we actually saw how a circuit breaker actually looked like, the way they connected and the way they worked. They explained very clearly, and it was a great experience of having the 3 days workshop. I would like to thank our ACE Engineering Management and also our EEE department and also the ENRUN Electrical and Electronics Private Limited for conducting the visit. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Parshram of second year EEE. We got a great experience of 3 days workshop on switchgear protection. It is the theme of in which large machines or large motors are controlled or operated using PCs or systems. It is all about the PLC using SCADA, PLC SCADA with IoT. Initially, we don't know about the PLC switchgear at all. Now we know something about PLC switchgear protection. We can use this knowledge and we can further use in future